The sensor laser welding process uses a laser beam as a heat source to make a high-speed, high-quality connection to the sensor housing as a thermal processing process. A variety of sensors currently use stainless steel, titanium alloy and a small amount of alloy materials and aluminum alloys for the housing. After using laser welding, the surface of the metal housing of the sensor is smooth and free of defects, and the strength of the weld is comparable to that of the base material, and the welding process has minimal impact on the internal components of the sensor, ensuring the hermeticity, pressure resistance, gas tightness, and reliability of the sensor. The principle of sensor laser welding process is the use of high radiation intensity of the laser beam. After the optical system focus, the laser focus power density of 104 to 107 万x per square centimeter. The processing workpiece placed near the laser focus for heating and melting. Melting phenomenon can be generated, and the degree of intensity depends mainly on the laser action of the material surface time, power density, and peak power. By controlling the above parameters, the laser can be used for various welding processes. We have rich experience in laser welding of different types of sensors with different materials, which can effectively avoid welding defects and achieve sealing requirements. Welcome to Consult Jimmy Laser.